Hello, I'm Mitchell from SheetGo, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the OR formula in Google Spreadsheets. So in the OR formula I need to put at least two statements, of which one needs to be true. So if both statements are true, it will turn into true as well. But if both statements are false, then it will turn into false. So as a logistic manager of GlobalGo, I want to have a quick overview of my important and unimportant orders. And I'm going to use the OR formula and the IF formula to put my true or false into a meaningful context. So first I'm using the OR formula, which is OR. And now I need to make two statements. Now when the quantity is above 70, then I consider it to be an important order. Or if the price is above 580, then I consider it to be an important order as well. So as you can see, this product is true, so this is an important order. So I'm going to double tap it. And as you can see, every product is ranked into true or false, so important or unimportant. And now I want to make it meaningful. So I'm using the if formula, if, or. Now putting on the same equation. So I'm doing exactly the same, which is if or the quantity is above 70, or the price is above 580, then I consider it to be an important order. So if it's right, then it's important, and if it isn't right, then it is unimportant. So double accent, unimportant. Unimportant. Comma, and put the equation into brackets. As you can see, my true has changed to an important order. Double click it. And as you can see, every true is important and every false is unimportant. So this is how I use the OR and the IF formula together. If you liked the video, please put the thumbs up. This video is based on a blog post, so if you want to read more, please click on the link down below in the description. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.